remember, but a couple videos back, I came in and I put some outfits together from a thrift haul, and I mentioned that I get quite a few of my shoes from Shoedazzle. Normally when they are on sale, because they are overpriced, they're not expensive, but they are overpriced for the shoes. They're overpriced. But anyway, I like them and it's convenient, and they always have good sales if you sign up for the VIP, but I'm not getting paid to advertise for them. But anyway, I got some shoes today. I think it's only 2 pairs, so we're gonna do a mini shoe haul. I'll be right back. This is a sample of hair conditioner. Something for wine. I don't even know how to get y'all to see that. And then we got a coupon for HelloFresh. This has never happened before. I don't know what they got going on with this box looking like this. Like somebody tried to take a bite out of it, but that's okay. I don't really care about the box, but I don't think that's ever happened to me. Okay, y'all, when I order shoes, I on purpose forget that I order, like I get it out of my mind that I order them, so when they come, I can be surprised. So I don't really know what I have. This is gonna be a surprise for me. Oh, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Okay, so we got the first one out the way. This is the second pair. This box is in decent shape, I guess. It's a little dented up at the bottom, but that's okay. Now, I have mixed feelings when I see people with this white shoes on, but these are cute. This is not something you have to wear all the time. This could be a little casual. Oh, I'm putting it on like I'm about to show y'all. I'm gonna come back and do another video where I try these on with an outfit or something, but these are really cute, really comfortable. They're not for you to be stomping around all over the place in them. A little nice special occasion shoe. It's really cute, y'all. Okay, I'm happy. I'll make another video, put some outfits together, and I'll show y'all these shoes.